Hi everybody, I'm Vonda. Welcome back to my channel. Tonight I'm getting ready to make some egg rolls. So I got a bunch of vegetables to cut up. So I thought maybe you would enjoy watching. So first our cabbage. Cabbage slices thinly the best if you use a serrated knife, like your bread knife. I hope you're having a great day. Cabbage is crunchy. Do I want to grate it? No, that's pretty fine. I don't think I'll grate it. That's a little bit too fine. Yeah. Thought I would try. Let's see. Whoa. Throw that away. Do I want to grate it? No, that's pretty fine. I don't think I'll grate it. That's a little bit too fine. Yeah. Thought I would try. Let's see. I'm learning as I go here which way's the best. Usually when I make egg rolls, I'll make whatever's in the package. What is it, like 35 or 40 wrappers in a package? And then I always give some to Rhonda. And when she makes them, she gives some to me. If I have too many, I can hand them out to the family. And my carrot, I can do little matchsticks. I threw away my vegetable peeler because it was crap. It was very bad. Dang, I'm gonna get hurt. Nope. Let's grate it. Carrots. Okay. Now I've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 mushrooms. threw my mushrooms away. Put them right in there. Oh my goodness, wrong bowl, Vonda. I must have drifted off to somewhere. Okay. Garlic. Got two little tiny onions, just little. The 3-pound bag of onions had all kinds of sizes in it. Onions and garlic, mushrooms, cabbage, carrots. Over here at the sink, I have some of these rice noodles, the vermicelli, soaking in hot tap water for 15 minutes. Then I'll drain them. Don't over soak them. These are the vermicelli Taste of Thai vermicelli rice noodles, angel hair. So there's 3 bunches in there, and I just used 1 bunch. And I'll save these for another time. There they are draining. The only seasonings I'm going to use for the sauce is the soy sauce and sesame oil and a little bit of fish sauce. This is half a pound of ground pork. I am going to salt and pepper this. We don't want it to be bland. All right. There's our pork. Mushrooms. Excuse me. I want to try to get these brown before season them. Otherwise they won't. Garlic, yum. Cabbage. A little bit of fish sauce. Some sesame oil. Some soy sauce. Here's our noodles. I'm going to cut these up just a little bit so they'll be manageable. A little bit more of everything. more of everything. Okay, there goes our meat and our mushrooms. And the noodles. Yummy. Smells good. Let's see if I can get some cabbage and noodles. There. Itadakimasu. Mmm. Good. Here's our filling. Some green onions. Here's some that we've already done. Keep them covered up. This is kind of damp. Here's our wrappers. Keep them covered up. Put it under there. Grab another one. Hi guys. Hi everybody. I'm headed into town. Pick up a few groceries. Got some egg rolls for my sister and her Her little grandkids left some of their stuff in here the other day. Somebody's sunglasses, so I get them to them. And got my water. Always go with my water. And my phone. I got you talking to you. You're on the phone. Okay. Oh, damn, it's hot today. It is hot. The car says it's 87 degrees. Blah. And humidity is really high. Okay, you get to ride along with me. I got a little grocery haul. I got 2 ears of corn. I bought 1 ear of corn the last time I was at the store, and it was so good. I didn't even put butter or salt or pepper on it. I just ate it real slow. It was delicious. So I got 2 more. 3 lemons, 3 limes, and a new drink packet, the ocean water. It's supposed to be kind of like lime and coconut. A guacamole mix, a red onion, a bag of, these are the large avocados, and some Cantina chips. I was watching Tom and Melissa come and sit at my table, and they was making his daughter's guacamole, and it just looked so good. I thought, I'm gonna get some stuff and make that. And half a pound of sharp cheddar cheese, a pound of hot sausage, and baking mix. We know what this is. Sausage balls. Half a gallon of milk. July 3rd. Ugh, that makes me mad. Because today's the 27th already. A new potato peeler because my other one was terrible. Some tummy pills for acid and some more trash bags. These are Bahama Bliss. So my trash is going to stink good. I'm going to make some chicken broccoli casserole because you know I love that. And I've got to get on it while I can start the oven. So that's all for now. Bye.